गोंयाक एक तर मुखेलमंत्री दियात ना तर भाजप सरकारान सरकाराची सुत्रां सोडून दिवची म्हण मागणी काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे ॲडव्होकेट यतीश नायकान केल्या। ह्या बसकेंत 5 म्हत्वाचे प्रश्न काँग्रेसीन भाजपाक केल्यात, जाचे उत्तर भाजपाचे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाहान गोंयकारांक दिवचे म्हण मागणी काँग्रेसीन केल्या। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार।
ताजे उलोवप एक पावल मुखार वता आसतना आमी भाजपाचे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह हांकां डिमांड करतात की आयदर तूं गोंयांक मुख्यमंत्री दी or take back this undemocratically installed headless government with you while you're going to Delhi. Either you give your chief minister or you quit or let this government quit. अशें उलयता आसतना 5 मुद्दे जे प्रश्नाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी बीजेपी राष्ट्राध्यक्षाक पोज करूंक सोदतात ते अशे 5 प्रश्न आमी ताका पोज करतात। Why has your party left Goa headless for the last over 2 months, thereby pushing Goa in a state of policy paralysis and administrative chaos, especially when you install this unholy alliance government in the most undemocratic and high-handed manner? Question number 2, where are jobs for our Goan youth provided by your government, which you promised? Where are the jobs? Is your government taking revenge on Goan youth for reducing your numbers from 21 to 13 in the last state assembly elections of 2017? Question number 3, in the run-up to parliament elections, Modi promised special status to Goa under Article 371 of the Constitution. This was their promise. Now you have majority in the Lok Sabha on your own, absolute majority. Was that promise of special status to Goa a joke on the people of Goa then? Question number 4, Goa's debts under BJP government have gone up to more than 16,000 crores. Why are you pushing Goa into a dangerous debt trap? And question number 5, since 7th of February 2018, when the Honorable Supreme Court pronounced its judgment on mining issue, why has the government taken no action and no policy approach to restart sustainable mining operations in the state even after the elapse of 3 months from the date of judgment? हे आमचे 5 प्रश्न अमित शाह आसा आणि ताणे हे 5 प्रश्न चे उत्तर गोंयच्या जनतेक दिवपा जाय। गोंयची जनता तळमळटा, ताणे उत्तर दिवपाक जाय।